Welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle Institute and our tip of the week. I'm Stacy Cole, founder and CEO, and this week we're going to talk about goal setting. And the tip is, when you're setting goals, you want to be very clear about the outcome that you're after. And so we're going to go over what a SMART goal is. New Year's resolutions are in full swing right now, and so we wanted to give you this tool to help you achieve those goals. So what is a SMART goal? What does that stand for? Well, the S stands for specific. And so when you're setting a goal, you want to be very precise about the goal, and you want to know, is it going to be easy at the end to know if you actually reached it or not? So you're after something very specific, so you want to stay away from vague statements. Next is the M. It stands for measurable. And so you really just want to put some numbers to it somewhere so that there's a quantitative way to know whether or not you've achieved this goal. So all this is very simple, as you can see, but it's very helpful too. So the next is the A. It stands for action oriented, and this means to-do items. So you really kind of want to stay away from an outcome at this part of the game. You really want us to you want to put action items on your to-do list. And so an outcome would be, I want to lose 1 pound this week. An action item would be, I'm going to go to the gym 3 days this week and do cardio for 30 minutes in my target heart rate range. That's an action item. Another action item might be to tighten up your diet and eat a certain amount of calories a day that are full of healthy, balanced, nutritious meals. So those are action items that you can put on your calendar. Next, we have the R, which stands for reasonable. And so now is the time for a gut check. Is this goal something that you can truly commit to? Because if it's out of range for you, you're not going to reach your goal, and you're setting yourself up for failure, and that is just not a good idea. We want to set you up to win this. So make sure that your goal is reasonable. And if it is, then you're ready to move to the last step, which is the T. It stands for timed. And really what all that is you want to add some dates or days in there somewhere and give yourself a deadline to reach this goal. So a deadline will offer you a sense of urgency to go ahead and get the action items done so that you can actually reach your goals. And so that's what a SMART goal is. And so if you already have some goals, you might want to take a look at them. And if you're missing one or more elements of a SMART goal, you may want to consider going back and rewriting them, even if it's just ever so slightly, because you want to make sure that you give yourself every opportunity possible to reach this goal. And so make sure it has all 5 elements. It's specific, measurable, action-oriented, reasonable, and timed. And you're well off and running to hitting all of your fitness goals in 2013. So thank you so much for watching. Best of luck to you.